Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala ukandat sangma ulay thu bahadian kajingyalang bat kinongelam snong kiken hun Tremon ngobha bat kinongelam niam bat nagalyang kajong ulay kren ba Menteri Rangba Kajala Assam Himanta Beswa Sarma halor kajing syaksiat jeng kipat ba hak snong mukro ulay thu ru bana kalyang kajong Himanta ulapan pawi kajing snok ya habaya de bakati kajing ja ba ulakan tu Menteri Rangba ka Assam man penchitomi kitu kibdon kati bat baki de ban chemi kajing git khli halor kate kajing ja ha kajing kren ba Menteri Rangba ka Assam ukandat sangmau layu ajing tip bayau usi jong Jrikyndeng police station ukajal nat haringkat forest range officer kila Shah Sospon shu ulay thu bayau SP ka West Karbi Anglong district imdad aliru ula Shah Pynkynriah kam.
After the meeting in the morning, along with all the church leaders and all the other traditional heads and some of the NGOs who were there, I had a telephonic conversation with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, and in the discussion I have expressed our very, very deep concern about the incident that had taken place and the unfortunate incident that took place, and briefed him about how the situation happened and appealed to him that immediate action should be taken against the officials who are involved or are responsible for what happened in Mukro village. Based on the discussion I had with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, the OC of Jrikyndeng police station who was involved in this entire action has been suspended. The forest range protection officer, who was also the officer who was in charge in this area and very much part of the incident, has been suspended. The SP of West Karbi district has been transferred, and at the same time the Assam government also will be taking necessary steps to investigate into the matter in consultation with Meghalaya government, and at the same time the Assam government has assured that whatever demands and requests that we put to Government of India, the Assam government will cooperate to ensure that justice is done and those who are guilty are punished.